So guys, I'm down here in the port and we have a fabulous townhouse to show you today. Now this townhouse is ideal location for the beaches and many of the shops and bars in the surrounding area. It's also close to the health centre and the local library, and the play area is just around the corner from here for the children as well. So you have a double gates, which means it's off-road parking. You don't have to use it as that. Just go inside now, and you can just use it as a nice little terrace that have your potted plants about. A nice area to sit out in the sunshine. So let's go in and check this property out. So we've just come into this fabulous townhouse, and as you can see, you've got this fabulous spiral staircase, which is really unusual. You've got this lovely area to dine in and just relax in the evenings if you don't fancy going around the corner to all the shops and bars. You are just a short walk from the beach, 10 minutes as well from this property, if that. You've got this fabulous kitchen here, and it's got an integrated gas hob and an oven. You've also got your sink and drainer down there, plenty of top and base units, and your remote control ceiling light and fan. You've also got this beautiful Spanish door here, out onto this beautiful terrace just here, where you can sit and enjoy a glass of wine with your friends or family. It has been raining, so it's a little bit damp today, I'm afraid. So I'll just pan around for you. And as you can see, you've got those beautiful wooden shutters on the windows as well, which kind of an added bonus in this property, I think. And you've got your sluice sink over your tank there. So I'll just take you back through. And just here, you have a bathroom off the kitchen. If you're taken short, you have got a sink and pedestal, WC, and a little small bath and shower. Got your frosted glass window there, also has shutters, and it's fully tiled from ceiling to floor. So I'll take you back out of here and let's go up and investigate upstairs. Got this fabulous spiral staircase. So let's take a walk, guys, and I see you upstairs. So guys, I've come up to the top of the house now, up that beautiful spiral staircase. Just in here, we have got a bathroom. You've got a bidet, WC, and a sink and pedestal. And you've got a small bath here with your shower attachment. Just over here, you've got your modern mirror and a light. Nice glass shelf there, and just behind the door, we have got some extra storage. Okay. So if I go forward and we go into one of the bedrooms here. So you have got aircon in here. You've also got spotlights above. The room is lovely and bright. You can put a double bed in here, and or as two single beds as it is now. You're down in the port and you're very near the amenities all around here. You've got some freestanding furniture in the room as well. So you're really only 5 minutes, or 2 minutes walk I should say, from all the bars and restaurants or everything you possibly could need. So just in here is the double bedroom, quite a large spacious bedroom. But in this case, I've left the windows closed so you can see the shutters. Now those shutters keep the sun out if it gets too bright or in the summer it gets too hot, you know. So just there you've got aircon as well, and again you've got some spotlights above. Nice spacious bedroom. Pan around for you. It's quite a large room. Okay. So I'm going to take you upstairs, this wonderful spiral staircase again, and I'll see you upstairs. I can already hear the birds twittering. Bit overcast weather today, We've got a lovely terrace here where you can sit. You've got the Chino shops, all the shops and bars are over that way. And it's a beautiful area down here. Just down there is the market on a Sunday, which you get loads of fresh fruit and veg. And it looks very decorative, that turret. So it's a nice little terrace just to have some private sunbathing on, you know. Really ideal. So I'm going to take you back down the spiral staircase. So right guys, we've just come back down the stairs into the living space, and we're just going back outside through the garden. So if you're interested in this property, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and I will leave all the agents' links and details in the description box below. So you're literally 10-minute walk from Mazarrón beaches here, down the port, and there's so many shops down here. This is an ideal position to be in, and this would make a great permanent or a holiday home. I've just put a few clips in here of the local market, and this beach is a kilometre wide, great beach to have and enjoy yourself, and it's just beautiful around here. You'd be amazed. Loads of paddle boarding, kayaking, snorkeling, you name it, jet skiing, we got it all here. So do come in and check the properties out on To Let To Sell To Buy. See you guys in the next video. Take care.